3 to 4 of x squared plus x plus 3 over 3x to the 5 dx. Alright. What you've got to do with these ones is fiddle about a bit with the function before you go, right? Think about x squared over x to the 5, right? So I'll write it like this, 3, 4. I'll write it like this. I'll say that's x squared over 3x to the 5 plus x over 3x to the 5 plus 3 over 3x to the 5 dx. Alright. Okay, now watch. That is going to cancel with 2 of those, isn't it? And that's going to be x cubed. That is going to cancel with 1 of those, and that's going to be x to the 4. Right? That is going to cancel with that. So what do I have now? That's 1 over 3x cubed, yes? So do you agree that that's 3x cubed to the minus 1? This is going to be 1 over 3x to the 4, so that's 3x to the 4 to the minus 1. This is going to be 1 over x to the 5, so it's x to the 5 to the minus 1. In other words, x to the minus 5. So, what have I got now? I've got 3, 4. Okay. Think of it like this. I've got 1/3 x to the minus 3 plus 1/3 x to the minus 4 plus x to the minus 5. Right. Okay, which equals, now, remember that we're subtracting 1. So the primitive function is going to be to the minus 2. Because I'm going to subtract 1 from that, which will give me the minus 3. Yeah? So if I think of, I want, okay, x to the minus 2. If I just take the derivative of that, it's going to give me minus 2x to the minus 3. Yeah? See what I'm doing? But I want that to be over a 3, right? So I want to divide by, how can I say? I want to divide by minus 2, but I also want it to be divided by 3. Does that make sense? So it's going to be over minus 6
Why minus 2?
because I don't want that there. I don't want the minus 2. See, if I take the derivative of that, it's going to take that down the front and make that a minus 3. But I don't want a minus 2 there, so I'm going to have to divide by minus 2. I want it to be a third of that, so it's going to be that. Right? So, plus x to the minus 3 over minus 3 times 3.
Hold on, S.
Because you've got to think, okay, if I'm going to find the derivative of that, I'm going to multiply it by minus 3. Well, I don't want it to be minus 3. I want it to be 1/3, basically. So I'm going to divide it by minus 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? And then times the 3 there.
Yep.
Plus x to the minus 4 over minus 4. Right? Between 3 and 4. Okay, so that's going to be 4 to the minus 2 over minus 6 plus 4 to the minus 3 over minus 9 plus 4 to the minus 4 over minus 4 minus 3 to the minus 2 over minus 6 plus 4 to the 9, oops, not 4, 3 to the minus 3 over minus 9 plus 3 to the minus 4 over minus 4. Basically put that in your calculator and